Well, we're back to the Royal Doulton Sonnet, late 20th century. These are the coffee cups and saucers. I want to get the scale over to you in this because they're not really the demi-tassel coffee can size. These are a scale up. These were sold as a coffee set with a large coffee pot designed for after dinner coffee to be poured. There's the Royal Doulton Green Lion and Crown marks, copyright Doulton & Co Limited, Sonnet H5012, first quality China marks on there. Very straight, early Concord design, although they're round. And same with the saucers, very straight. No real moulding in these at all by this stage. You can feel and palpate some texture in the actual Sonnet transfer print. But beyond that, there's no texture moulded into any of these designs. They were sort of mid-century modernist designs, and the earliest shapes on the dinner sets was referred to as Concord, which was the plane of the era. And later they moved to a Palladio, more rounded shapes on quite a few of the designs in the tea sets. Again, nice clean mark on the saucer. They're in absolute mint condition. I mean, there's no condition warnings or notes to bring to any buyer's attention on these. Just be aware of the measurements. Don't get them confused with the coffee cans and saucers, which are sort of the proper demi-tasse size. These are the scale up, could be used as teacups as equally as they could for coffee cups. We have got the coffee pot coming through, and I think some sugar basins and some milk jugs in the Sonnet design. So if you're looking to put a traditional coffee set together, we've got all the pieces available from that. Lots more Sonnet on catalogue currently. A large dinner service, just about completed my listings now. A few more pieces to complete the set. And if you have a click on the link below for this coffee cup and saucer, and browse on the website on the search term Sonnet with a double N, you should pull all the pieces we've currently just listed. Thanks for watching.